everyone. Geo-FS. So if you know, as you probably have noticed, sorry, there is a camera in the top right that will show you my joystick. I hope you enjoy that stuff. So yeah, let's get into it. Today we're doing a short landing challenge on an aircraft carrier with F-16. F-16 Falcon. Okay, it's good. Let's begin. If you guys don't know, it's a rule for aircraft carriers that as soon as they land, they must turn on full throttle so that if they miss the landing ropes, they can do an emergency takeoff if fired. So yeah. Okay, so that's all authenticated. Location. Ooh, gliders. I don't know. That's definitely the one. Let's redo that, pause that. Then change the aircraft. F-16 Fighting Falcon. Anyway. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, this thing is hard. Oh, yeah. No, this is not gonna work out. This is not gonna pan out too well. Yeah, no, not at all. Let's restart that. We have to be very, very gentle on the throttle and stuff. Even just the slightest pan can be the death of all of us. Wait, pause. Exactly how do I eject my thing? Okay, so give me a second here. I need to eject my tail thing that helps you land. Okay, so I have all that set up. Let's just go back into it. So, okay. This is the most frustrating thing I've done in my life. Even the softest touch can ruin it. That wasn't necessarily a soft touch, but I'm definitely getting better at this. Yeah, that's not happening. See, now that's what I mean. That's what I don't mean. Oopie. Don't know what I'm saying. This is just a mockery at this point, really. It's hard for me to control such a small plane since I haven't even fly over. I don't know if you can see it because I can't see if I did it right or wrong. I have to hit it. I have to. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm just gonna replay that. Did so well on that. I'm gonna unpause it right there. What is that? Don't exactly get this, but yeah. Yeah, let's see this. Sorry, slight interruption right there. Let's get back into it. Yeah, so what's that? Whoo dear. This may or may not go well or horrible. Surprised it even stretched this long. Let's go to location. See if we can take off from this on runway. Oh yeah. For this, I'm gonna have to change the aircraft. Then I'm gonna have to be very, very careful about everything. Okay, so right there. Okay, that's all good. Let's reset the camera. Yeah. That was perfect. Let's go to F-16 fighting Falcon. Normally you would have flaps at 1, and of course you do. Then you trim down. Sorry, you trim. You actually keep the trim neutral. Keep the trim neutral weight. Okay, that's all good. Now you want to press down the brakes as hard as you can. Turn on that. And then you take off. Then you take off the gear. Then you wait to get to 1,000 feet. My God. Yep, that's good. Ah! Now that's good. Then you decrease the throttle just so the afterburners turn on, but you're still going at 90,000 RPM. And you up it just a bit. Okay, guys, I went completely off track, but that was a good video. 12 minutes, that's okay time, I guess. But thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.